Are you tired of juggling endless spreadsheets, trying to manage advertising budgets across multiple platforms like Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, and more? Do you constantly worry about making costly mistakes that could impact your client's performance and your agency's profitability? The stress of avoiding errors in budget allocation can be overwhelming. One wrong move and you're faced with over or underspending, leading to wasted budgets or underperforming campaigns. This not only impacts your bottom line, but also strains your relationship with your clients who expect profitable return on ad spend from all of their paid ads. G'day, I'm Paul Ramondo, with over 12 years of experience in paid advertising, and as the owner of a paid ad agency for the last 9 years, my team and I manage annual ad spends exceeding over $4 million. I know firsthand the challenges of managing and allocating media spend budgets for clients across multiple platforms, campaigns, and funnels. The process became arduous, stressful, and time-consuming, and it was one that was significantly impacted the profitability of all of our projects. Each team member had their own way of handling budgets, leading to discrepancies and errors that could have totally been avoided. Training new paid ad specialists was also a nightmare, surprise, surprise, without a standardized system in place for managing and allocating budgets. This is why I created the dynamic multi-platform budget calculator, game-changing tool designed to simplify your budgeting process, enhance your accuracy, and save you countless hours of manual work. This is the template that I wish I could have bought years ago before developing my own solution. With the dynamic multi-platform budget calculator, you can seamlessly allocate advertising budgets across multiple platforms and campaigns, ensuring every dollar is effectively spent to maximize your return on ad spend. You'll enjoy dynamic budget planning updates in real time, comprehensive allocation for every platform, campaign, and stage of the funnel, and a built-in error detection that highlights over or under allocated budgets. You can also customize the template to your specific needs without breaking its functionality. This tool also acts as its own SOP, which provides standardized budget management across all client projects and teams. So, no more stressing over accuracy or blowing out billable hours on unnecessary budget planning by yourself or by your team. The dynamic multi-platform budget calculator will transform the way that you manage paid media budgets, making your process easy and stress-free, while ensuring high profitability on all of your paid ad projects. Are you ready to take control of your advertising budgets, eliminate the stress of manual management, enhance accuracy, and boost your client profitability? Scroll below to learn more, and then hit that buy now button to get started today.